In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images or videos to Lovable AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach your media and guide Lovable on what to do with it inside your project. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable and press enter. From the results, open the official Lovable website. If you're double-checking you're in the right place, look for the official domain and familiar branding so you know you're on the correct site. Once you're on the Lovable homepage, scroll down until you see the section with your recent projects. Click the project you want to work on to open it. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your workspace. You'll land inside your project where you can add content and give Lovable instructions. Look for a small plus sign icon in the interface. This is the quick action to add things to your project. Click the plus sign, then choose the option labeled Attach. That will open your computer's file picker so you can select the media you want to upload. In the file picker, navigate to the image or video you want to use. Common image formats like JPG and PNG and standard video formats like MP4 are typically supported. Pick the file you want. If you keep large files, consider trimming or compressing videos first to speed up uploads and reduce processing time. When you're ready, click Open to confirm the selection. You may see a brief upload indicator. Let it finish before moving on. Back in Lovable, you'll see your media attached next to the prompt area. Now type a clear, action-oriented prompt that tells Lovable what to do with the file. For example, add this photo and video to my project homepage. Be specific about placement or purpose if you already know it, such as use the image as the hero banner or place the video in the features section. Clarity helps Lovable apply the media exactly where you expect. If accessibility matters in your project, you can also mention alt text or a short caption in your prompt so that information is captured at the same time. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Lovable will process your request, attach the media to your project, and apply your instructions. Give it a moment to finish. If anything needs fine-tuning, you can repeat the same flow with another prompt for adjustments. And that's it. You've uploaded your image or video to Lovable AI, attached it to your project, and guided how it should be used, all in a few quick clicks.